Are you ready for breakfast? Who's ready? Good morning, everybody. She has grown fond of the pumpkin. That's just pumpkin, my girl. I'm not even done yet. Yeah, she's grown very fond of pumpkin. That was funny. Girl, I'm not done yet. Look her, she's eating just pumpkin. No, we're not done yet. And on top of that, just a little Miralax. Yeah, she wants the food.
Have you read up on the indigo children?
Briefly. It's not ready yet. And then on top of that, ironically, she's doing very well with just the cheap cat food. I was giving her like the really expensive brands, and for some reason her body reacts better with the cheaper ones. I don't know why, but we're gonna do it. Honey, it's not ready. I got to mix it. I want to mix it, my love. Can you come down? Thank you. Some people think it's really gross, but I don't care. I will legit mash this up with my hands, like the bigger pieces. It's gross, but I love my baby and I don't care. So mother's gotta do what mother's gotta do. Yeah. 2 subscribers. That's very surprising. I admit, you menace. It's not ready yet. I mainly made this channel. It's not ready yet, my love. I mainly made this channel for myself because I'm running out of room. I'm like, she's crazy. She's crazy. Okay. Please come down. You see how active she is? I mainly made this because I'm running out of space on my camera roll. And I'm scared that Instagram or TikTok would delete my archives, Because I've been making so much videos ever since I found out